Apple has just announced massive price hikes, which affected its MacBook range badly. And now, Apple might skip the high-end M6 Pro and M6 Max chips from its MacBook Pro laptops this year as well. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman believes Apple's next Pro and Max chips won't arrive until the M7 in 2027. Since Apple launches new Macs in the fall, you'll need to wait for more than a year for new top-tier chips. The M5 Pro and M5 Max were launched in spring 2026, potentially making it an 18-month gap between professional chips. That's a long time to wait. Other rumors suggest the MacBook Ultra will release this fall, but with the M6 Pro and M6 Max chips missing in action, it'll either come with Apple's M5 Ultra chip this year or will be delayed until the M7 series. If you're thinking of getting a new MacBook Pro, the impact of Apple's decision will depend on what you're looking for. After all, if you're interested in the entry-level M6 chip, that's coming out as per the usual fall timeframe. But now you'll need to pay Apple's increased prices. But if the M6 Pro or M6 Max chips are more to your taste, you'll have to double down with delayed launch and a higher price. Apple's remained silent on the reason for this delay, but Gurman says that artificial intelligence is the main factor. According to Gurman, Apple's making the move to fast-track technologies that it originally planned to release later. The change should help meet growing demand for on-device AI capabilities and more graphics-intensive software. We don't know what those unnamed technologies are, but Apple feels that it's best to wait until they're ready for its users. That might make sense, but it means a frustrating wait for anyone who wants more than the base-level chips inside their next MacBook. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.